Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are here with another product. And as you can see, this is a Philips LED desk light, and this is the Air model. So from the name you know that it is an LED desk light. So this product is very useful for reading books, and also we actually use this LED desk light for our channel to unbox some of the videos. And currently we are actually using this LED light to unbox this Philips LED desk light. So this has a color temperature which is cool daylight, and it is very good for localized lighting and other tasks. It lasts long since it is an LED, and it lasts 4 times longer as more than an halogen bulb. And you can get a cost saving of 80% on this LED desk light. So, and there is a 1 year of warranty on this LED desk light when you purchase it from Amazon. So let's go ahead and unbox this LED desk light. So coming to the features of this desk light, this is a 5-watt desk light with an illumination of 250 lumens. It has total of 20 LEDs, and currently the cost of this on Amazon is 800 rupees. So let's unbox. So as you can see here, the LED desk light, it is quite sleek. The only large portion that we can see here is the base, which is needed to anchor the LED so that it doesn't fall when we tip it completely forward. So the LED light feels quite sturdy. The hinges are strong enough to hold the LED in position. Also the plastic is of good quality. It is of a matte finish and soft touch. It is really good to use. There are 2 foldable hinges which you can use to position the LED as per our wish. So the main portion of the LED is placed in the top part, and it has a total number of 20 LEDs. At the bottom we have a rubber padding so that the base doesn't move around that much. There is also a small switch at the back to turn off and turn on the LED. So now let's connect it to the power source and see how bright it is. As you can see, this is the brightness of the LED desk light. It is good for reading conditions, and also if you want to do some small electronic items, repair work or anything, it will be really useful for it. Now I'm going to turn off all the lights around me so you can observe how bright it is. So now I switched off all the lights, and as you can see, this is how bright the LED is. So I'm going to open a book over here, and as you can see, it does a good job of lighting up the book. So as you can see, the desktop light does a good job of illuminating the entire book, and even the letters are quite clear even though all the lights around me are switched off. It's a really good product, and it has a cost of 800 rupees on Amazon. So I think you should not think twice for going for this product. It has a warranty of 1 year, and it would last very long. So coming to the final verdict of this product, this lamp is very good. The light is soothing to the eyes and does not cause much strain. It is very useful for reading even when the surrounding is completely dark. The product is of excellent build quality, and it comes at a cost of 800 rupees, which I think is really worth for the price that we are paying.